Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the info when fail function on the GeoExpert application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and here you can find the third option, the info when fail, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.